dog. She was just dropped off for a 2-week board and train. Overall, Lady's a very happy-go-lucky puppy. They just want to build a really nice obedience foundation so they can give her the best start to life as possible. Let me show you what she already knows. Lady, come. Nice, Mama. Sit. Oh, good. Down. Sit. Down. Good job. Oh, goodness, a kiss. Thank you. Place. Girl, we all tangled. We all tangled. Place. What are you doing? Lady. Lady. Place. Place. No. Lady, heel. Heel. Come on, heel. There she is. Where are you going? Heel. Well, that's what she already knows. Check back in 2 weeks to see what she's learned.